Hey everyone, and welcome to Hooked on Needles and Crafts. Today I'm going to be showing you some knit kits that I got from Five Below. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in. And for my new viewers, please consider subscribing, share, hit that like button, leave a comment below, and click on that notification bell for future videos. So today, you guys, I'm going to be showing you some knit kits that I got from Five Below. I did have some viewer requests and I couldn't find them online. I actually didn't plan on going to a Five Below, so it just happened to where I saw one. I went in just to see what they've got, and I saw a bunch of knit kits, so I'm really excited to share them with you. So hopefully there's something in here that you have or plan on getting, and you can knit along with me. If there's any requests that you would like to see that you have not seen yet, go ahead and comment below. If you don't want to wait for me to find it, I would suggest contacting me. My contact info is in my About section or in the video description. You can send me clear images of the instructions and I can try to help you that way. Alright, so let's show these kits. I'm not going to open them. I'll be doing separate videos when I start knitting them. But yeah, there's a ton. I think in total I have 7 kits, so let's get to it. First we have here is an itty bitty knit kit, and we have Ice Cream Sammy. So far I've done snack knit kits, and I think I did have some itty bitty kits. So it's really cute that they have them like this, but at the same time I'm trying to figure out what's the difference between an itty bitty kit versus a snack knit kit, because I would say Ice Cream Sammy should be a little snack, but I don't know. Anyway, itty bitty knit kit, Ice Cream Sammy. The next we have is something kind of nostalgic. I used to get the ice cream off the ice cream trucks growing up, and we would get the rocket ship popsicle sticks, and so this one reminds me of it. This is called Da Bomb, and this is another itty bitty knit kit. Alright, next we have another itty bit kit, and it's Poppy, and this is like, I guess, supposed to be like a little container of popcorn, and they've done it this way. This is going to be interesting to make, so it's going to be real cool. Oh, and if you didn't know, if you're new to these kits, here are what they typically give you: some spools of yarn, some fiber fill or stuffing, we have plastic needle, a pair of knitting needles, and then felt stickers to put on there. So it's gonna be fun. Alright, next we have an itty bitty knit kit. This is the corn dog. I'm not a fan of corn dogs, but this one is particularly cute, so I'll allow it. Next we have the snack knit kit, and this is Juicy Cutie. I was actually asked to do this one, so I'm glad that I found it. Alright. This one is so cute. This is an itty bitty kit. It's called Small Fry. And I'm going to love this one because I love components. I don't know if it's all going to be different components and you stuff it in and you can pull them back out. If it's all knit together, that's going to be a little disappointing, but looks high level if that's the case, because I know how to knit. You know, I don't foresee this being difficult, but you never know. Anyway. Last but not least, we have an itty bitty knit kit. This is Sublime. This is probably by far the most favorite name of these knit kits. And then on top of that, I love green. So, and I love that we're going to get the white knitting needles, because they come in different colors. I've received so many. They're typically red ones that I've red and green that I've got so far, so it's really nice to see a little change. But anyway, so those are my knit kits, everyone. Comment below, let me know what you think. Let me know if you've done these already. Let me know if you have them and don't have those and want to do these with me. And comment if you've already done them. And I think, yeah, no. It's like I always forget that YouTube does have a community tab where you can do posts, but I think you have to be at a certain level to get that. But anyway, all 7 kits, you guys. And there's plenty more. This is done by the company Bright Stripe. If you're interested in looking up their small kits, they've got more than just knitting on there. So I highly recommend checking them out. Oh wow, look, this Ice Cream Sammy, look at his sandwich, the cookie part, so cute. Yeah, I'm really excited. Again, happy to see y'all. I wanted to post this quick video because I'm really excited to get this many kits. I've got the kits in the Dollar Tree before, and it's really hard to find those kits, so hopefully no one requests any, but it was exciting. I found all these, and like I said, there's so much more, because I think I've got a few more requests and I didn't see those there. So anywho, alright, I will see you again next time. Click on that notification bell so you do not miss a video. This is Hooked on Needles and Crafts. Please share, like, and subscribe for future videos, and I'll see you again next time. Thanks. Bye.